Hi YouTubers. Today I wanted to share my lighting setup for videos. I'm using a 4-point lighting setup. This may seem a little bit unusual, but let me take you through this. I'm recording this with the Pro Video app in 8K with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Although I am recording it in 8K, I will be uploading this in 4K for the convenience of editing and sharing on YouTube. So the key feature which I included here is an underlight. So it would be a 4-point lighting. 3-point lighting, everybody knows about it. They consist of a key light, fill light, and a backlight. In addition, in this video, I've added an underlight to illuminate the under part of my chin and my neck here. You can see a shadow here right now. When you use these lights, when you use key lights or room lights, the chin casts a shadow on the neck here. And if you've got a double chin, that may get exaggerated like that. So the purpose of this light, which I'm going to show you, is to remove these shadows. You will see clearly in the video that these shadows are removed. And that's it. So let's get into the video and I will show you how to position these lights, what bulbs to use, how you can get the best value for money, how you can soften the light with soft boxes. I don't have any lights at the moment. The aim of this exercise is to check out the lights one by one. As a key light, I got a Simpex softbox with a 25 watt 5 bulbs in it. Each has got 6500 lumens. So now I'm going to switch it on and judge it for its illumination of my face. Now, this is the key light alone at the level of my face, not above my level, and I can see that it is illuminating almost more than three-fourths of the left side of my face, except the last bit of this here to the extreme is in shadow. So I'm going to now turn off this key light and just turn on. Next in order will be the fill light. So I'm going to turn off this one. Now I'm recording this footage under just the fill light. That would be the fill light at 50% of the key light. Now I will switch this off and turn on my backlight. My backlight is a Digitech backlight. It is placed high above me to my left and to the out of frame, and it is casting light from an angle of above and downward at 45 degrees. The light is falling over the left side of my head and my left shoulder. So I'm going to turn off the fill light and just have the backlight. One can see that this light is falling over here on my head here, and it is setting me apart from the background of the room behind. It is also falling on the left shoulder here compared to the right shoulder, which is in darkness. The left shoulder is illuminated better. Now let's turn on all of them together. That's the key light turned on. Three-fourths of my face. My hair is illuminated. I've got a good depth of field. Three-fourths of my face is illuminated. Now I'm going to turn on the fill light. It is set at 50%. This is my right side. I've got a proper fill light here. It is not excessively bright. This is my underside here. I have got LED light. This underlight here from below was casting too much light. Face gets bleached out. Too much exposure. Shadows to get eliminated. Maybe I can soften this with the softbox and see how it works. Now in this frame, I have softened the LED light coming up from below. Here the softbox is on the LED light. I am going to remove it now. Yes, see the difference? It becomes too bright. Softbox makes it soft. softbox removed. This is the softbox. This is a do-it-yourself softbox. This is my basic recording setup. That's my tripod there, and this is the top of my chair here. So you can see that that is the key light. It's a Simpex light with 5 LED bulbs, and each bulb has got a 25-watt capacity. This is a fill light. Important thing is that this light is very close to my table and my face here, as close as possible, at the level of the camera over there. This is a fill light. It is a do-it-yourself softbox. It has got a single LED bulb, which is called a bright stellar bulb, 23 watt. These are the normal lights you would have heard of in everyday life. This is a backlight. It is a panel light, LED panel light. The important thing is it has got 2 barn doors, as you can see. I can adjust the barn door to focus and channelize the light. And it has got an orange filter here. The reason for this orange filter is that it will afford a contrast on my head, and this would be useful for green screening. And it is powered by a Sony battery. So this light, its relationship, it is out of the frame and it is above and behind me at around 45 degrees and in the same axis as the fill light. These are the 3 usual lights you would have heard of. Then I'm going to show you the 4th light, which is an unusual. So when you're using these 2 lights, fill light and the key light, there tends to be a shadow underneath the chin. So this is the light which I have devised to eliminate the shadow. It is revealed now. It is a Yongnuo LED light. I had set it to 33, that is 1/3 of its capacity. But as you will see from the videos, even at this capacity is pretty bright. It is close to me, close to my face, just underneath my chin. So it was pretty bright and my face was getting whitewashed. Therefore, I put on this softbox, which is a do-it-yourself softbox for an LED light. I've made a video on this. You can see the link up in my YouTube channel. So what I do, I just plonk it over this light, and the light from this will get much softer, as you will see in the example. So these are the 4 lights which I've started using recently. First, I switch off all the lights in the room and then start with 1 light at a time, starting with the key light, testing it, seeing its coverage, its intensity and brightness, looking for shadows, evaluating it carefully, then switching it off, then using the fill light, switching it on and seeing how much of the shadow is eliminated. Do I want the whole shadow to be eliminated or do I want some of it to remain? So normally, since the fill light is around 30% capacity of the key light, and that's why I'm using a less powerful single bulb softbox, LED bulb softbox. I've already talked about the backlight. That light also needs to be dimmer than the key light, mainly to eliminate the back of my head and set it apart from the room. This is the new addition which I have made here, this underlight. This light makes a lot of difference and I have included it in the package. So you can use 1 or 2 LED lights like this underneath your chin on either the right or the left side, and that would eliminate the shadows under the chin and give you a much softer look. Particularly when you grow older, you tend to get wrinkles and folds and double chin and all that. So these lights under the chin are meant for that purpose, to soften that area. They can be harsh when they are so close. So it's better to use them with soft boxes, as I've just shown you. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. I'll see you in the next video.